global impact of North Carolina's life science community flows from a rich and varied network of partners working together to support the sector. The North Carolina General Assembly kickstarts this specialized ecosystem with ongoing funding. Grant and loan programs from NCBiotech fill funding gaps so that innovation can progress, helping bring ideas to market. Life science community advocates strengthen our region, support entrepreneurs, and bolster policy, encouraging company growth. Our vibrant research community, many incubators, and leading contract service organizations support emerging and established life science companies at home and around the world. Education also plays a critical role in talent development and workforce. From our expansive community college system and the NCBioImpact Training partners to the more than 75 public and private universities in our state. The North Carolina Biotechnology Center is the epicenter of it all, fueling transformation through connectivity, strategic support, funding, and expertise. With general and specialized contributors, North Carolina's life science partners propel not only the ecosystem, but the economy of our entire state. Celebrating 35 years of life science transformations in North Carolina.